Hello and welcome to our unboxing video of the Medela Pump and Style double electric breast pump with the on-the-go tote. When you first unbox your product, you'll find the information guide, the tote, and a bottle bag. The bottle bag comes with a convenient carrying strap and dual zippers. Inside, you'll find 4 bottles and an intentionally shaped ice pack to keep your bottles cooled evenly. Moving on to the tote bag, there are 2 small pockets on either side of the bag, 2 zippers in the front, which will reveal the pump itself, on the inside, you'll find the pump and breastfeeding accessories, including the bottle tops, milk storage bags, wipes, and a sensitive cream sample. There are also 2 bottle stands, as well as 2 disposable nursing pads. This kit also comes with a charging brick and a cord. And that's what you'll find inside the Medela Pump and Style double electric breast pump with the on-the-go tote. To find this and other Medela products, visit us in-store or online at halohealthcare.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.